Hi everyone, my name's Heather and I am here to tell you about the November Family Cooking Challenge. In the past, we have given you one theme to focus on every month. It might have been pumpkin or barbecue or chili. This month, we've changed it up a little bit and we want you to play with spices. So, when you've registered for your program, you can pick up your kit beginning on October 29th. This is what your kit is going to look like. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what you're going to find in there. So we wanted to give you a big variety of spices that you can look at. Some of them are going to be sweet and some of them are going to be more on the savory side. So some of the sweet spices that you might find are ginger, cinnamon, and several other surprises in there. And on the savory end, you're going to find sage, smoked paprika, and a variety of other spices in there. We also want to learn some things about spices that maybe we didn't know. So we've put in some little fun facts about each spice that are in your bag. And then we've also put in a variety of recipes that you might want to try. By all means, please go crazy on these spices and make up whatever you can come up with. If you want to do sweet things, that's great. If you want to do savory, that's great. If you want to do a variety of both, that is wonderful. Once you have created your delicious submissions, please send me a picture of what you've made and also a description about what you've put in there according to the spices, what you added in each one. The deadline for submitting those is going to be on Friday, November 19th. And then I will be selecting a winner and moving forward with that. And I will give the winner a call and let them know. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is that beginning in December, we are going to make a little change with this. And instead of doing Family Cooking Challenge, we are going to switch it up a little bit and we are going to do Family Art Challenges. Again, that's going to start in December, and right now you can register for that program. I promise that it will be as fun as this one. Something that's really, really cool about that is that you are going to be able to drop your creations off at the library for the Family Art Challenges, and we are going to put them on display at the library. So it's going to be something really fun and different to try. So I hope that you're excited about that. So again, if you have signed up for the Family Cooking Challenge in November, you can pick up your kit beginning October 29th. You can watch me on YouTube on November 5th at 4 p.m. And then please submit your submissions by Friday, November 19th. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email or give me a call. I would love to hear from you and help you out. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you come up with.